Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Abby, and if you guys didn't know, well now you do. And look what I found, you guys. I found Zoey and Daisy. They're both on here, and Bella. But you guys have never really met Bella before. But I'm sure you guys, probably will. See, this is Bella. We played in SMP together, then we kind of, I don't have full health. Okay, no, I have full health. And like, the SMP kind of like, went bye-bye. So. Yeah. But I found, like, I just came on the server, and then Daisy was like, hi Abby. And I knew it was Daisy, because, well, it said Daisy Mystic. So, yeah. And, yeah, so, it's just, they're in a call, so that's why I'm not in a call with any of them. But it's okay, because this is on the server. Okay. Answer. Okay. I'm recording. Hi. I'm recording.
This is awkward then.
Abby, what do you use to record?
The same game recorder you use.
Oh my god. Do you have the cracked version?
I think.
Can you record more than 10 minutes?
No.
Then you don't.
I'm stuck on level 9.
It's
We're
easy.
19. I mean, we're on level 20, I mean.
Every time you jump, say Bob.
Yeah.
It works.
Hi, Zoey.
Hi.
Bob. Bob. My life.
We promise Bob works. Bob actually does work. Like,
And we've done everything and we've gone through it.
Huh?
No!
You laugh like
I saw, oh my lord, I almost walked into lava like a dumb butt. Why do I laugh like that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Found Bella.
Don't at her!
Do you want to try it for me?
I mean,
Why does it sound like Daisy's like 50 miles ahead of like a tornado?
Oh wait, I lied. I'm on level 19. Sorry.
oh yeah, we're on level 19. We're on level 18, I didn't know.
It's so sad. I'm like the only one that's behind.
You got your lead. It's okay.
I can't get past this stupid.
No, press on the spoon!
You okay, Daisy?
I made it. Wait.
Rip?
No.
Bob. No.
I almost died. Okay, I made it. There's more freaking parkour?
Don't go yet. It's really easy.
Don't go yet. It's really easy.
You need to be a sponsor to do this? You have to be a sponsor.
Don't worry.
No!
Be poopy. That's what my friend's like.
Somebody's raping somebody.
What?
Oh, no, wait. That's a G, not a P.
I'm so
I thought that said a. I thought that was a P.
Oh my god.
I so love this game. Like,
Zoey, I'm recording.
Oh, my bad. Sorry. It's not a bad word. It just happens.
I'm tired, and I'll be tired tomorrow because I have a football game tomorrow.
See?
You play football?
Yes, ma'am.
I play chorus. Does that count?
No.
Yeah. I bet
I want
on
to
my tongue and my teeth already hurt, so it's like already enough for me.
I'm coming, Daisy. Don't go by myself. Wait, what? That
Don't go by myself.
What?
Oh my god, my teeth are starting to hurt again. Oh my gosh, no! I
Your
got my
teeth?
teeth cleaned, and the doctor, she was like, it was like she was pulling on my gums, and it hurt so bad.
Bella's
Daisy,
like
where are you?
Bella's been standing on this one lily pad.
What? Daisy, where are you?
I'm at the checkpoint again, but they need the poison.
Oh, I see you.
You see me. Where are you then?
At the water park.
Okay, then I'm coming. Because I'm almost there.
This zombie was full iron armor.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that was the thing. That was dynamite, actually.
Hey, Zoey, remember when you hit the lily pads and got stuck?
Yeah. I still have the footage.
Really?
Yeah. Ready? Go. Ba 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 builder ba 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 ba.
Bob,
No,
Bob,
I have one heart. Please let me live. I only did a home.
What?
Okay, I'll do it for you.
You're welcome. You said thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I was like, you're welcome. Oh, she better get out the way. I can't see with her big head. That's
Oh,
right.
me?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yo.
Whoever's on the lily pad.
Girl, keep on jumping. That thing hasn't been.
Did you die?
No, I'm still alive.
Oh yeah, Daisy. Dio said hi.
Who's Dio?
Your boyfriend.
Wait, you have a boyfriend? Oh my god, girl!
Hi, Daisy. I'm right here.
He said hi because I was on the phone with him, and he was like hi Zoey, because I was like so excited to see you guys on here. I was like, oh, she's on here. And he was like, who? And I was like, Wooden Spoon.
Okay,
He was like,
Daisy.
Wooden
You
Poon.
can try to come now. Just don't die.
He was like, Wooden Poon, and I was like, yeah.
Wooden poon. Huh.
Calls you Wooden Poon. He doesn't even say spoon. He says poon.
You got this, Daisy.
I hope so. This is the farthest I've ever gotten. Are you serious?
Ah, it's shooting you. It's shooting you.
Oh my god.
Abby, why you laugh?
What?
You don't understand how much I hate this game right now. But I also love this game. It's so annoying.
What level is hard?
Okay,
I'll
so
go up.
18, so 18 and 19 and 20.
Wait, okay, you know the water parkour with the lily pads on it?
Yeah,
When's the next checkpoint?
I know.
Oh, wait, what?
You know what, when we always stuck at the lily pad parkour?
Uh-huh.
When's the next checkpoint after that?
It's like 2 after that one. But they're really easy. I can tell you the answers.
Wait, I'm not there yet.
I thought Zoe's like a pro at this.
She just rages a lot.
I know.
I don't know.
And she like
After
rages
ever
in
since
her
I've known her, she's been the most ragiest person in the world. When I killed her on like the first season of Tingle Cop, she raged at me that she almost quit. She's like, Daisy!
I remember that. And I remember you two kept killing each other.
Yeah.
And Zoe stole from me, and I stole from her. And I was like,
All I saw in the chat was Zoey was slain by Daisy. Daisy was killed by Zoey. Zoey fell from a high place. to escape
Trying to
Daisy.
escape from Daisy.
Yeah. And I was just like,
Clip, but Zoey, can you come back?
No!
and then I started to kill Daisy, and you never killed me, and I was like, yay.
You were too nice.
What about me?
You were nice. You were also nice. Like, you two were like the nicest on the server.
Ow, why did I do that?
Bob likes to fart.
What?
What?
Bob!
Abby, show your screen, girl.
Okay, I'm at level 10.
Show your screen!
Hold on. Oh, why are you eating?
Cause I'm hungry.
Okay, here. You won't be safe with me. I'm not lying. Choose me to win. You're
Oh,
destined-
choose the one that says I'm not lying. Choose me to win.
This one?
No, no,
Oh, the one
no,
that says I'm not lying. Choose me to win.
Yay!
Yes, jump to.
that was good. No, Abby, you're
That just lagged me like a whole bunch. Oh well. I should probably stop recording.